today we go to learn how to make flax flowers. It's good manners to say harakeke before you do the flax. Cut the flax. And we're going to show you how to cut the flax.
How do you cut flax flowers? So you're going to cut it from the, so you don't want to cut it from the middle, you want to cut it the outside ones. The middle ones are babies.
Sorry, you have to do it.
You're going to cut it at an angle away from you.
Okay, ready?
Just like this.
And away from the middle of the flax.
Yep. If it's like that, you can go like this.
Okay,
This is how you make the flower. So right now Anna is taking out the spine, as you can see, just like that. Yes. That is the spine that she's taking out. It's a very, so that's the hard piece in the flax. That's kind of like in the back.
it's red.
Yes, it is red. Anyway. So when you're finished your flower, you might want to wash your hands because there's like a goo in it, the sap.
That will give you diarrhea.
Yes, and nobody wants diarrhea, Anna.
So don't lick your hands or the flax or anything like that, or touch your hands with your face. That will get diarrhea. No one's diarrhea.
Some very wise words from a very wise person.
And if you get the goo on your jersey or something, you should probably put your jersey in the wash. If you lick your jersey or something, touch your jersey to your face, then you get diarrhea. Okay, so here's how to make the flax flower. As you see, I was doing it when I decided to make a video about it. So, you fold it like this, first, and then like this, and then the third fold is very difficult. You go over and then behind it, like so.
Do that again. Maybe show us it.
So, it should look like this after you've folded that like so, and that like so. And then with this one, you'll fold over, and then you'll go behind the stalk.
You also missed the first step.
Well, the first step is you break it down the middle like this.
You just split it in half.
But not all the way.
No, there's
And then you do that, so on. And then here, you'll go over and under, of course. And then you'll turn around the flower. And just keep going under, around in a circle, like so. Until you get till it's really short. Not this short, of course. And I'll show you how to tie it once I get to the end of the flower. Just go on, so.
Bye-bye.
So once you've done the tying of it, not tying of it, once you've done the flower, it should look like this, though it shouldn't have these knots. Those should be in straight lines, rather short. What you do is you will sort of rip them, and like you see how that ripped, you'll rip them down to the last fold you've made, and then you'll do it with both, making sure they're even, and use one piece of each of the flax and tie them together in a knot, just the normal granny knot, as you see I've done there, so that it doesn't fall apart, because who wants theirs to fall apart?
Agreed.
Bye. Bye.